And I'm going to give you a refresher course on how to take this apart and put it together again. So, first thing, you want to take the basket off first. There's a little lever in the front, you push the lever and just pull it on the basket. I always come around to the rear when I take the seat off, and the reason I do that is because I'm right over the post, and I'm using my legs, not my back, to get the seat off. So what you want to do is you want to bend your legs, you want to pull the lever that turns the seat, and then just stand straight up. It'll come right off. Okay? Next, the battery comes out. It's the heaviest part. You want to pull straight up on the battery, and it comes out, just Velcroed in. Now the front end comes off the rear end, and there's a latch right here. And there's usually a minivan there. And you pull up on the latch, you pull straight up, and it comes right off. Then you take the front end and you turn this lever right here, and it allows you to roll the handle down. Now you can put it into a car or whatever you need to do.